years ago, I stood before you and I promised you that we would transform healthcare delivery. And that's exactly what we're doing. With this $8 million, today marks the wall breaking of a project that will do just that. We will transform the Kaplan Family Center for Emergency Medicine, which will include, we will have a 10-bed observation unit, be a second floor here, and an observation unit that's used for people who are not ready to go home, do not need to stay in the emergency room, but really need 20, maybe 22, 23 hours of observation. So we'll have a 10-bed observation, really state-of-the-art. We're really excited about that. In addition, to really enhance efficiency and effectiveness and always quality being front and center, what we are expanding our triage and our ambulance bay. So we're really excited about that too. You will see really the cranes out here. I'm going to be so excited because honestly it will enhance the flow of all we do. We deliver a lot of care. This emergency room is one busy emergency room. And last but not least, for my physicians in the room, and I've seen several of our physicians, kudos to my physicians, that we will also have an MRI. So that will really, again, expedite care, enhance quality, where we will not have to transfer the patient out of the emergency room, that we can do it right here on our campus. So I'm really thrilled. That's what's going to be going into the $8 million. We will be starting construction very soon. We will be breaking down that wall in a few minutes, and I'm really thrilled that you're all here joining us today.